Good morning. If I'm being honest, I have no idea what I look like right now, so let's give some grace. It's Sunday, and I don't know, I've been in a weird mood. My throat feels weird. It's not like I don't think I'm sick, but my friends are going to the beach today, and I told them I wanted to stay home. If you know me, you know that isn't really something I usually do. I love the beach, but I also love a Sunday where I reset. So come with me while I reset for my week. We only have a couple of weeks left of school, and then I go home. It's currently like 10 a.m. Just kind of late. I need to get up. My screen time report is up 2 hours this week. Okay, things I need to do today. Grocery shopping / figure out what my dinner is gonna be for the week. Laundry, if possible. Go to the gym. Write a paper for one of my classes. It's like really easy, small little paper, but I need to do that too. Forgot about it. I'm gonna go make breakfast. Just the same breakfast I always make. Go watch my last video. I think it's over here, linked in the eye. I am eating my everyday breakfast there, but yeah, so I'm gonna go eat breakfast, and then we'll see what I do next. Possibly go to Publix and Aldi, but who knows. Hey guys, I had coffee, if you couldn't tell. I also changed my outfit. Just put on this shirt, but I'm going to go to Publix and Aldi and get some groceries. I just decided, I was on the phone with my mom, so that's why I wasn't really filming, but I decided what dinner I want to do for the week. I'm gonna do a barbecue chicken bowl. So I'm gonna go to the grocery store, get my everyday groceries, and then also the groceries for that dinner, which is just like chicken, sweet potatoes, black beans, barbecue sauce, stuff like that. I'll link the recipe in the description. But yeah, we're gonna head on out. I'm gonna take the trash out as I go out. Unfortunately, the washer is full right now, so I won't be doing my laundry yet, but maybe when I get back, who knows. I also have not touched my face with makeup, but it's fine. Okay, let's go. Hey guys, I'm back from the store. It's currently 1:30 or 1:25. I got a lot of stuff. Hopefully you know, you understood everything that I got. Sorry that the lighting is horrible in my apartment. Hey! I also got Cadbury eggs, and I'm gonna eat 1 or 2 or 3 right now because I haven't had these in so long, and it's Easter time and I freaking want it. Delicious. So now all that we have to do is write the paper for my class, do laundry, and I also have to go to the gym. So I'm thinking, write the paper right now, go to the gym, come home, take a nap, maybe do laundry. I'm thinking I'm gonna go to the gym that's further away because I have one at my apartment. I also have a gym at the university. It's about 1.5 miles away. And then if I walk there, do my leg day, walk back, I'm getting my steps in, and I have a lot of time anyways, so. I don't think I'm gonna lay out today. I was going to. I kind of tanned yesterday and got a little sunburnt, which is nice, but now it's gone. So I'm just gonna finish this paper, or I'm gonna write this paper, and then yeah. Getting a FaceTime call. Finish the paper, and now I'm probably gonna go to the gym. So let's get ready. Here's the fit. I'm gonna go to the gym. Hey, I've been in bed since I got out of the shower, but I read a play that I had to read. I did some stuff for my internship, and now I'm gonna make some food. I have leftovers from this past week. I didn't eat all of what I had prepared for dinner for the whole week. And I just hate wasting food, but I'm just afraid that it's gone bad. But I just don't want to eat it, honestly, but I just don't want to throw it away. I hate that. But I also have leftovers from a dinner that I went to last night that I can eat instead. And I really want to eat that. But is it bad that I'm throwing away the food? Grr, whatever. It's currently almost 6 p.m. It's 5:47. Yeah, I'm gonna eat food and watch Claire Saffitz. Aww. Because I love her. I don't know why. I'm not a baker. I just watch her baking videos anyways. It's so odd, but I still do it. Okay, time update. 6:35 p.m. Just ate some food and did my laundry, or I threw it in the laundry machine. Red alert, guys, my throat. Getting the signs of a sore throat. I'm scared. I'm just gonna cross my fingers that it somehow goes away. I don't know. I'll go to bed early tonight. But I'm gonna grab my journal and I'm gonna head outside and do a little journaling. Because I need to do that. I don't want to, but I'm forcing myself to. I want to just lay in bed and watch TikToks. That's what I want to do. But I'm gonna journal first and then get in bed. Let's go. Guys, I ate Cadbury eggs and oh, my stomach hurts. It was only like 5 Cadbury eggs. Help. Also, I'm rapidly declining into sickness. but I'm gonna fold my laundry. I'm doing my laundry and then going to bed. Good night. I'll see you next week.